Welcome to the heart of the tropics. Here, millions of pineapples are reaching their peak sugar content, ready for a global journey.
This is the boom system. It allows a single rig to harvest hundreds of fruits per minute, bridging the gap between human skill and mechanical power.
Efficiency is the priority. These rigs never stop moving, filling 20-ton trailers in record time.
A grand industrial symphony. Every movement is calculated to ensure the fruit is handled with care to avoid bruising. Close up. The heavy-duty tires of the rig crushing the post-harvest stalks, prepping the land for the next cycle. The destination, one of the world's largest processing hubs. From field to factory in less than 60 minutes.
Artificial intelligence at work. Each pineapple is scanned for defects, ensuring only the highest grade continues to the line.
The Ginaca Machine, a marvel of engineering that can decrown, peel, and core a pineapple in a split second.
Precision slicing. Whether it's rings, chunks, or tidbits, the cut must be uniform for global standards. High-speed canning. The rings are bathed in natural juice or syrup to preserve that just-picked flavor. The metallic clink and hiss of the cans being sealed airtight.
Safety is paramount. The retort process ensures a shelf life of years without the need for artificial preservatives.
Nothing goes to waste.
Smaller fruits and the trimmings are sent to the extraction plant for pure pineapple juice. Flash pasteurization locks in the vitamins while ensuring the juice stays fresh for its journey across the ocean.
The remaining skins and cores are converted into high-nutrient animal feed, completing the circular economy.
For the fresh market, whole pineapples are packed in vented cartons and kept at a constant 7 degrees Celsius.
From the tropics to the table, these containers will reach ports in Hamburg, Shanghai, and Los Angeles in weeks.
The essence of summer, delivered year-round. This is the power of the global pineapple harvest.
This pineapple is perfectly chilled. Yeah.
Can I have some more, Dad?
It really is refreshing.
A new cycle begins. Pineapples don't grow from seeds, but from slips harvested from the mother plant.
Environmental stewardship is at the core of our operations. We protect the ecosystem that sustains our crops.
The pressure reading here is inconsistent.
The tablet confirms a microfracture at the coupling.
We should torque it down and rerun diagnostics.
Harvest Motion, bringing the world's greatest harvests to you.